Hello, I'm Brad Eli. Today is September 25th, 2023. Here are your latest Church Militant headlines. The U.S. bishops are again urging Congress not to pass a border security measure. Archbishop Timothy Broglio, president of the Bishops' Conference, wrote a letter Thursday to congressional leaders from both parties, urging them to avoid a government shutdown. He also voiced opposition to House Resolution 5525, a spending bill introduced by Republicans that would strengthen the border and slash funding for nonprofits that provide legal services to migrants. And the Supreme Court is continuing a temporary block on a lower court's ruling involving social media censorship. On Friday, Justice Samuel Alito extended a hold on the decision that blocked federal agencies from asking social media companies to remove content. The High Court's move comes amid a lawsuit filed by the Attorneys General of Missouri and Louisiana, accusing the Biden administration of pressuring social media companies into censoring American citizens. British police are dropping charges against a pro-lifer arrested for praying at an abortion mill. After a 6-month investigation, West Midlands police decided on Friday not to prosecute Isabel Von Spruce for her silent prayers outside a Birmingham abortuary in March.
Can I please ask you to step away from here and step outside the exclusion zone?
I'm not protesting and engaging in any of the activities.
But you've said you're engaging in prayer, which is the offence.
It's silent prayer.
No, but you are still engaging in prayer. It is an offence.
Ukraine's leader is reportedly asking an occult practitioner to be an ambassador for the country. Marina Abramovich claimed in a Friday interview that President Volodymyr Zelensky recently asked her to be an ambassador, quote, to help the children affected by rebuilding schools. The Serbian performance artist is known for her occult practice of spirit cooking, a satanic ritual started by Aleister Crowley. Heretical Catholics are hosting their own so-called synod to go alongside the October Synod in Rome. Over 40 dissident organizations are teaming up for a week-long self-proclaimed synod called Spirit Unbounded, both in person and online October 8th through the 14th. The Rome and UK event will push for women's ordination and homosexuality. And organizers welcome, quote, all reform-minded people. I'm Brad Eli. Those are your Church Militant headlines. Please watch The Vortex today, where Michael talks about Catholics in the New World. God bless you.